What's great about costume design is you can tell a lot about a person, you can tell a lot of narrative before they even say anything. A character can walk onto screen and you know a lot about their backstory, where they've come from, who they are, before anything's been said. Hi, my name's Zepur Agopyan. Today we've been leading a workshop with Film Cymru, doing an introduction into costume department. So today we're focusing more on skills that we use more in theatre design, so working with 1 to 25 scale models and using the costume designs that they did from the previous exercise. Drawings of those costumes will be made into 1 to 25 scale paper costumes. So I'd say it's important to do workshops and things like this within a community because it shows people an avenue that they may not know is open to them, as it seems far away and generally in Hollywood. So if you have the idea that you'd like to get into film and TV, it seems like a very distant dream. There's quite a lot of filming that happens here in Swansea and in Cardiff and in Wales in general. So to know that it is possible, it is on your doorstep.